Tired of searching for the transparency tool in Word? I will show you exactly where it is hiding and how to fade any picture in seconds. It is one of those features that feels like it should be obvious, but Microsoft buried it in a way that makes you dig around. By the time we are done here, you will never struggle with this again. First, click your picture. Then, we will adjust transparency with just a few clicks. Let us dive in. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is click on the picture you want to fade. It sounds simple, and it really is. But this step is more important than you might think. You have to make sure that image is selected. You will know it is selected because you will see little dots or handles around the border of the picture. If you do not see those handles, the transparency tool just is not going to show up. So go ahead and give that picture a single click. Do not double-click it, just one click, and look for those selection handles. Once you see them, you are in good shape. Now here is where the magic happens and where most people get stuck. With your picture still selected, look up at the top of your screen. You will see a new tab has appeared on the ribbon. It is usually a pinkish or purple color depending on your version of Word, and it says Picture Format. Click on that tab. Now look over to the left side of that ribbon. You should see a button labeled Transparency. It might be tucked into a group of buttons that also includes things like corrections and color. Just click on that Transparency button. So now that we have found the Transparency button and clicked it, a small drop-down menu will appear. This is the part where you get to decide exactly how faded you want your picture to be. You will see a row of little thumbnail previews showing different levels of transparency. They range from very faint, like around 90% transparent, all the way down to almost no transparency at all. You can hover your mouse over each of these thumbnails, and Word will show you a live preview of what that look will do to your picture right there on the page. It is a really handy way to see the effect before you commit. Once you find a level you like, just click on that thumbnail. And just like that, your picture instantly becomes faded, soft, and ready to use as a watermark or a background overlay. And here is the really important part. If none of the preset options are exactly what you want, look at the very bottom of that drop-down menu. There is an option that says Picture Transparency Options. If you click that, a sidebar will open up on the right side of your screen. You can then use a slider or type in a specific percentage to get that perfect custom fade. It gives you total control. So just to recap, the whole trick is selecting your picture first, heading to the Picture Format tab, and then clicking that Transparency button. It really is that quick. Now you know exactly where to find it, so you will never have to hunt for it again. Thanks for watching and happy creating.